nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuzana umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uza muzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
Morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hope you are fine, dear students. This morning, we want to help you study at home. Want to help you study at home. So, as you know, this is teacher equivalence, the teacher of mathematics at Happy Kids School, the school which is located in Kigali City, Gahanga sector, where you can find everything that can help your kids and your learners to acquire. Learners, dear students, you are at home because of this COVID pandemic, and we want you to be revising, want to be reading different things so that you come again at home when you are fine. Yes, today we are going to work on addition of numbers. We are going to see how we can add numbers, different numbers. Here on the blackboard, I have prepared for you different problems that can help you to add numbers. Now, let's see how we can add numbers by using different ways. But first of all, what is adding numbers? What is addition? By addition, here we first of all think about putting together different things. Putting together different items that you have. For example, someone can give you something, a number of things, a number of pens, a number of kilograms of beans, for example, and you need maybe another number of kilograms of maize. So when someone asks you the total of numbers, we need to put them together or combine them by using addition. So by addition, we are putting together different things and we are counting them all together. Now, here on the blackboard, we have different problems which can help us to add their numbers. Problem number 1. We are given a town A has 242 cars and town B has 424 cars. So, how many cars are there in the two towns? What is it? My dear students, here we have a town A. We have a town A. In this town A, they have counted 242 cars. We have another town called B. In this town, we have counted 424 cars. Now, we want to know the number of cars which are there in two towns. What do we need to know the number of cars which are there in two towns? We will need to do addition. That is why, to know the number, solution, to know the number of cars in 2 towns, we need to add the number of cars in town S, which is equal to 242 cars, 242 cars. This number of cars which are in town A will be added, will be put together to the number of cars which are in town B. So, which is equal to 424 cars. What we will do for the cars which are in town A and town B? We will add. We are going to add the number of cars which are in town A and the number of cars which are in town B, so that we can get the number of cars which are in 2 towns. Now, here we put here a line, an horizontal line, to mean that here now we will find the answer of the cars which are in 2 towns. So, but before adding numbers, please my friends, please my dear students, make sure that the numbers here are well aligned. What is aligning numbers? We align numbers so that the ones place value is on the same vertical line. What is it? Here, these two, which is the ones of the first number, must be aligned, must be just up to the list 4, which is the ones of the second number. They must be well aligned. That is, 4 just below this 2 just below this 4 just this below this 2. Where hundreds of this number and hundreds of this number are in the same vertical line. So then let's try to add these 2 numbers. We have here 2 in ones and 4 in ones. Adding 2 plus 4 equals 6. Equals 6. Because when you add 2 and 4, we get 6. Now, why did we add 4 in tens and these 2 in tens together? When you put together them, the two tens, when you add 4 and 2, here we get, I think, when you add 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay? When you add now 2 plus 4 again, this is 6. Okay, now, by adding the number of cars in town A and adding the number of cars in town B, when we put them together, here we are having 666 cars in both towns. This is the number of cars. Now here is equal to 666 cars. This is to mean that in both towns A and B, we have 666 cars. By doing this problem, by solving this problem, we are adding numbers. We are adding different cars in the towns. Hope you understood. Hope you understood how we can add these 2 numbers. We have a problem number 2, which is telling us more about exercise books. What is it? There are 1,728 exercises books in a box. We have one box which is having this number of exercises books. Now, we have another box which is having 1,000 920. Now, we want to know what is the total of number of exercise books in the two boxes. What is it? We have two boxes. Solution. Let's think that we have one box. Let's say one box. We have one box. This box is having a number of exercise notebooks, which is 1,728 books. We have another box, which is having another box, which is having 1,920. 1,920 books. Here, what do we want? We need to know the total number of books in the two boxes. Here, what will we do? You will ask yourself, what's the thing? Which operation will I need to use? Here, I need to use operation of addition. I am going to add the two numbers of books that we are having. What is it? I will take the number of books which are in the first box, and I add them, I put together with the number of books which is in the other box. Hope we are together. By adding them, I will get the answer, which is the number of boxes of books which are in two boxes. Now, we need first to arrive. We write as the first number, that is writing 1,728. Now I add this number to add this number, or to put this number on. By adding to this one, we need to just put this number 0 place just below this 8, which is in ones of the first number. So that is, we first put here 0, the ones of the second number, just below the ones of the first number. We put there 2, just below these 2 tens. We have 2 and 2. Just here we have 9, which is in hundreds. Just below this 7, 9. Just below this 7. Then we got this 1, just below this 1, which is in thousands places. Now, what is the answer? Okay, dear friends, dear students, hope you can add this number. As you can see, we add 8 plus 0. You can see that we are adding 8 to nothing. This is 8. When we add 2 plus 2, what can we get? We can get 4. This is 4. What if we add 7 and 9? 7 and 9. Or here the answer is bigger than 10. It means that we are having 7 plus 9. Here we can get 16. 16. Now, how can I write this answer here? In ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds, we are having a 2-digit number. So, will I write here 17? No, we cannot write here 16. Because in one place value, we cannot have 2 digits. That is why this 16 we are getting here, I'm getting here 16. 16. 7 plus 9. I'm getting 16 in the same place value of hundreds. What is it? I'm going. What do we do? By adding numbers, when you get an answer in the same place value, which is having more than 1 digit, you need to record, you need to write this last number. This one is of hundreds will be recorded here, and this one will be carried in the next place value. What is it? Here we have 6. So this 6 is going to be recorded here, and this one is going to be taken in the next place value, the higher place value. What is that? Here we have hundreds. In hundreds we have, this is hundreds. We have 6, and this one is going to be kept in the next place value, which is 1,000. Here we got here 1, to mean that this one is kept from hundreds here. Now, by putting here 1, it means that this one is going to be added to this one and this one. We are going to be added to this one, then we are going to answers in thousands. So, adding 1 and 1 and 1, this gives 3. So, that is, when we add 1,728 and 1,920, this will give 3,628. That is, in 2 boxes, here in 2 boxes, the total number of books which are in 2 boxes is equal to 3,648 books. Hope you have seen how I have added the number of books in different boxes. This is the total number of exercise books in 2 boxes. So how have I done this one? I have tried to put them together by using addition. So by addition, this addition is helping me. This addition can help you to put together, to combine things which are from different areas. So I have taken books from different boxes and I put them together by using addition. Thank you. Let's see the next problem. I'm just helping you to put different things by using addition, by adding numbers. The first problem here is telling us that, wow, I have 3,100 francs. I have 3,100 francs. And my brother at home have told me that he has 7,500 francs. Yes, dear friends, dear students, I think you know 100 francs how it can be used in different things. You can go to buy different things, clothes, you can go to buy, for example, food at the market. I can think that you have to buy also materials, school materials, notebooks, pens, and so on. So this brother of mine is having 7,500, and I am having 3,100 francs. And the problem is this: how much do I and my brother have all together? How much do I and my brother have all together? I'm asking myself, how much do I have and my brother all together? How much is the total of the money that I'm having and the money that my brother is having? So, how can I get the answer now? To get the answer, maybe I'm going to use which operation? Wow, the operation that we are to use here is the one for addition. I'm going to use addition operation to adding the number of money that I'm having and my brother is having. So let's come back to our problem. This problem solution. The answer to this problem, I'm going to add the number, to add the amount that I'm having to the amount that my brother is having. My brother has 7,500 francs, and I am having this 3,100 francs. So I want to put them together to get the number, to get the amount of money that we are having all together. So this is to put together 3,000. I'm going to take 3,000 Rwandan francs. And this means I'm putting together 7,500 Rwandan francs. When I'm putting them together like this, it means that I'm counting them together. So the answer here will be the total of amount that I am having and my brother is having. So I need to add them. Okay, let's try to align these two amounts of money that we are having as I've done there. In ones, as you know, those are the price values of different numbers you may be having. Here in ones, I'm having, from the first amount, I'm having 0. In tens, I'm having also 0. In hundreds, I'm having also 0. So, but in thousand, I'm having 3. Good. I'm taking this amount of mine and adding, putting them together to the amount of my brother. My brother is having 7,500 Rwandan francs. So, here, I want to align these two numbers. I will not start from this 7, no? I will start from this 1s. This 1s must be aligned to this number, to this 1s of the first number, but maybe aligned on vertical line. What is it? This 0 will be lighted here down. Just below this 0. This 0 in tens will be recorded to that here down. This 0, this 5 will be recorded in hundreds, just below this 5, this 0, and this 7 will be written just below this 3. Here like this, then I will need to add them. Okay, so let's now add numbers as they are available here on the blackboard. Let's add 0 plus 0. This is giving 0. Adding 0 in tens, we add numbers in ones, numbers in tens, numbers in hundreds, and numbers in thousand. Now, let's add numbers here. Tens. In the tens, we have 0 plus 0. This is giving 0, you know. Okay? Now, when we add 0 plus 5, this is giving 0 plus 5, this is giving 5. Now, let's add now. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. This is giving the answer which is having 2 digits. The answer here is the number which is having 2 digits. 7 plus 3. This is giving 10. This is a 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. So, I will ask myself, do I have another place value in this question, which is next to 2,000? In this question, as you can see, we don't have any other next number, place value, where can I say, where can I carry this one? It is not there, because my numbers here are in thousands. I don't have there any next place value where I can carry my one. So, because I don't have where I can carry my one, I will write this 10 as it is. So, in thousand we have 0, but this one is carried in next place value, and I have this answer. This is amount that my brother and I we are having. So, how do we do this number now? Yes, in ones you have 0, in tens you have 0, in hundreds you have 5, in tens you have, in thousand you have 0, but in 10,000 we have 1. So you know the next value which is next to this 1,000 is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. So if you have 10,000 like this, 10,000, you press the value, 10,000. So this will be this number, this amount will be 10,000. Okay, 1,000. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 digits. So this is 10,000, 10,500. Nothing else. This is 10,500. This is the amount that I and my brother have all together. When you say all together, when you put together the amount of mine and my brother, we get this amount. Which operation has helped me? It is the operation of addition. So by addition, I'm putting together the number, the amount of money that I'm having and my brother is having. Hope you have understood. Now, the next problem is just helping you to compare different things, but it is also helping you or asking you to know how you can value different things. For example, my brother, my sister, my whatever, can be having different things. Let's say, salary, amount of money, the mass, the capacity. So when you put together different capacities, we are using addition of numbers. Good. Let's see how the problem is. Please, my dear students, before working out different questions, different problems, first read and understand, then interpret the problem in your ways and think about which operation you are going to do, you are going to use. Here they are telling us, I have told you, I have given you the chart or the graph, but I want you to have to study the graph below. Study the graph just below and answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Yes, I think you can start this chart, this graph. Okay, this chart here is having numbers on y-axis. This y-axis, this is called the y-axis. The graph is having two axes. This axis, which is recorded on numbers, we are going to see those numbers, what are they? We have another axis here, which is having some things, which is the names of different people. So, now, by studying this, you can see, here you have the numbers, different numbers, and the numbers we have, they have told us the number of this axis. To mean that this axis is having numbers, which is the salary per day. It means that this number is the amount in Rwanda francs of the salary which is given to some people. Let's see. On this axis, we are having the names of different people. We have my sister called Anne. We have a name of my brother Julie. And we have a name of my brother, of my sister Safina. We have also Jania and Lois. On this axis, you are given different names of people. We have Anne, we have Julie, we have Safina, we have Jania, and we have Lois. I think at home you have different sisters or brothers. Thank you, you are lucky. Or you know different people. Let's think that those names, those people, they are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have recorded 5 names of 5 people. So each here is getting a salary per day. So it means that this R is getting a salary of per day after working. Maybe they are working in any factory, they are working in any company, they are working somewhere, and she's paid some amount, the salary per day, let's say. And Julie is paid this some amount. You want to observe and study. This Safina is paid some amount. So, how can we get the number, the amount of money they are paid per day? Now, here, as you can see, this Anna is paid this amount. You will study this graph like this. This Anna is paid this amount. Anna is paid this amount. It means that per day this Anna is paid 200 Rwandan francs. Salary is given in Rwandan francs. Okay? So, and Julie is paid 250 Rwandan francs. You can see, we relate. We just study the graph like this. So, this Julie is paid this amount per day. This Safina, my sister Safina, is paid, let's see, she is paid 300 per day. Jania is paid, let's see, she is paid, yes, she is paid 350. What about Loss? Loss is paid 400. You can see. She is paid 400 Rwandan francs. What am I doing? I am studying, I am just observing, I'm analyzing the graph by looking at the two axes, this axis and this axis. So by looking at these two axes, yes, I can see that this is the name of these different employees and this is their payment, how they are paid, the amount of money. So, the following question, need the answers. Let's see the first question. Question number A. It is asking us to know how much does each lady here get? How much does each lady here is paid after a day? You see, we have the name Anne, Julie, Safina, Jania, and Lois. So, how will you get here the answer? You will get the answer by just observing, by just considering the information, the data given on this graph. Yes. Anne is paid how much per day? You will see. This is Anne. You see, Anne is paid as you can see from the graph here, Anne is paid 200 Rwandan francs. Wow. Anne is paid 200 Rwandan francs. As you can see, Anne is paid 200. What about Julie? Julie is paid, Julie is he, and she's paid 250. Julie is paid 250 Rwandan francs. What about Safina? Safina is paid 300. Safina is paid 300. What about Jania? Jania is paid 350. 350. What about Loss? Loss is paid by day 400. Oh, she's the one who is paid more. Good. Maybe she's a good worker. Maybe she works very hard and she's paid 400 for that class. She's paid 400 for that class. Yes. From this graph, we can see how much everyone is paid per day. Hope you have seen how we have tried to know the information from how much we are paid per day. Hope you have seen how. From the graph. Let's continue to answer different questions to how we can use addition by solving by answering different problems. Yes. So question number B, it is saying, find the amount of money that Safina, how much does Safina and Rose get? How much does Safina and Rose get? How much does Safina and Rose get? Let's see. How can I get the amount? Does Rose and Safina get? Yes. What will I need? I will need to know the salary of Rose, salary of Rose. I will need to know this one, which is equal to Rose is paid for 400. Rose is paid for 100. Now, I will need also to know the salary of Safina. Yes, Safina is paid 300. Safina is paid. Safina is paid 300. Safina is paid 300. So, to know now the amount of money that Safina and Rose get, I will put them together. I will combine them together by addition. This addition is helping me to put together the amount of Rose and Safina. I will put them together by addition. Then I will know now the amount of money they are getting in total. So by adding this 400 and 300, so I think first of all check, analyze and see that the number are aligned very well according to their base value. This is 400, this is 300. This 0 is just up to this 0, then I put them together. 0 plus 0, this is 0. 0 plus 0, this is 0. 4 plus 3, this is 7. Wow! To mean that salary of Rose and salary of Safina, when they are put together, I will get 700 francs. This is the amount that my two sisters are getting per day. When you put them together, I put them 400 and 300, I get the total, the salary that's there. Hope you have understood. Lastly, let's see how we can find the average. Maybe they can sit together at home and they want to know the average. What is the average? Average, it is the mean of the salary that the different people are getting, or the mean of different numbers. When you want to find the mean of two things or different things, different numbers, what do? We have to know the number of those people. Maybe they are 2, maybe they are 5, maybe they are 20. For example, when you are at school, I can find the mean of success, the average of how I was succeeding the exam. I have 25 students in my class. Each have got this marks. So to find the mean, I have to first know the number of students, the number of people who have sit for the exam. So here, we have to find the average of salary of Rose and 2. What is it? I have here Rose and 2. And I have to know, they're asking me to find the average of salary. Their salaries. What is it? To find the average, first of all, you have to know the sum, the total of their salaries. We have to know the total of their salaries. This Rose, you have to know the amount, and Julie, amount. So then you find the total of salaries for Rose and Julie. So how will I find the total? I will add their salaries. How is it now? Rose is having. This is 10. 400 for Rose, 100 francs. plus or add to the salary of Anne is earning 200 plus this Julie is earning 250. Yes, so I will first combine them together, their salaries, and first put together. By putting together their salaries, we will see the total of their salaries. This is 400 plus 200, this is 600, 600 plus 250, this is 850 Rwandan francs. This is 850 Rwandan francs. After getting the total for the amount they are getting, after getting the total of their salaries, we need now to find the average. Average, how do we find the average? Average. To find the average, you have to know the total. It is here. Then we take the total of their amount. Then we divide by the number of people we are having. How many are there? We have Anne, we have Anne, we have Ross, we have Julie. We have 3 people. So having the 3 people here, we can find now the average of their salaries. Let's take the total of their salaries, you divide it by 3 people. And you see the mean, how much maybe when they share equally, how much can each get, that is the average. So take the total of the amount, this is 850, then we divide by 3, yes. By dividing this, let's see, 850 divided by 3. Wow, what can I put in there? I can put into this is 6. What is this? Subtract. I will get. This is 2. I'm putting this 2. Yes. Subtract 2. Bring down 5. I'm putting here. 4. 4 times 3 is 20. I'm putting here. Let's put here 8. Putting the 8 times 3. This is 24. Yes, I subtract, I get here 1, I bring down this 0, this is 10, I put here, I put here, for example, I will put here 3, 3 times 3, this is 9, this is remaining 1, so the average is in 283, I'm remaining here 1, I put here 0, decimal point, put here another 3, so as you can see, it is not ending, it is not ending a decimal number, which is not ending, which we shall see how we can continue dividing the next subject, next lesson. So, but here, I want that you can use want to show you that you can use the total that you have seen from the sum, from the answer by addition to find the average of different numbers. So, this is equal to 203.3 as the average. Just finding the average of different things, find the average of different numbers by using the total you have seen in addition can be to find the average. So you can find the average of different things by using addition, then you add them, then you get the total, then you can find the average. Hope we shall see how can you find the average of different things in the next lesson. But by finding the average, you need the sum, you need the total you get after adding, combining different things. Yes, now, hope from the question number 1, from there, you can conclude that from the question number 1, from the question number 2, from the question number 3, then the question number 4, you can have different practices of adding numbers. So, my friends, to conclude this subject, as conclusion, I want you to know this. I want you to know this. Number 1, not the following. I want to put here what you have to know, just below here. You have seen me, you have understood me talking about the sum. The sum. What is the sum? This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the number we get after adding numbers. As conclusion, know this. Put this in your mind. Think about this one. The sum is the answer we get after adding numbers. You have different numbers and you are adding them. Then the answer you are getting is called the sum. The sum. Together, this is the sum, that is the sum, that is the sum, like that, like that. Number 2. I want to give you something, a number that you have to add. Let's, for example, think that in class of P1A, we have, for example, 2001 desks in this class. And we have also, for example, 50 in another class. I want you to add, to try to work out. So, work out this number. There, your exercise notebook. Work out this one and try to find the number. Work out this one. Let me give you another one. Try to work out this number. Work out. Let's think that we have, for example, in the class of K1, you have, for example, P273 students. This is P1A, and P1B we have 259 students. So now, how many students do we have in both classes? Okay, so by working this exercise in the exercise notebook, you will know, you will just develop your understanding about addition of numbers. Thank you very much. I love you. Keep working out numbers, keep adding them. So by adding them, you are developing your knowledge about mathematics. Thank you very much. Continue taking care of all the measures of fighting against coronavirus at home. Thank you very much.